London town, well, I wasn't there, just a boy without a care. Then I saw the sea and the men who sailed, the tears of joy and the ones who failed. Build me a boat, teach me to sail, to read the wind and I will not fail. Then to the sea, through rain and cold, build me a boat and I'll bring you gold. And in my heart something stirred, the deeds I saw and the words that I heard. Inspire the young, march through the door, be bold and strong and the crowds will roar. Build me a boat, teach me to sail, to read the wind and I will not fail. Then to the sea, through rain and cold, build me a boat and I'll bring you gold. Though still a child, I found the way. I'll be on that sea, I'll be there someday. When I'm in that boat, on a TV screen, I'll remember now my Olympic dream. Build me a boat, teach me to sail, to read the wind and I will not fail. Then to the sea, through rain and cold, build me a boat and I'll bring you gold. Build me a boat, teach me to sail, to read the wind and I will not fail. Then to the sea, through rain and cold, build me a boat and I'll bring you gold. Build me a boat